DAJA M6 Unboxing Tutorial. Open the machine packaging. Take out the foam cotton and the machine one by one. It is recommended that 2 people cooperate to lift the machine. Place the machine on a flat surface. Then take out the accessories one by one. Machine M6. Power adapter. Power cable. Data cable. Positioner. USB stick. Hexagonal spanner. Focus card. Ruler. Wi-Fi antenna. Focus jam. Protective glasses. There are also optional accessories. RT5 roller rotary axis. RT2 roller rotary fixture. Air purifier. Plug in the power cord. The machine needs to be turned on to open the protective cover. One end is plugged into the socket, and the other end into the back of the machine. Turn on the power switch on the back of the machine. Then turn on the emergency stop switch in front. Turn clockwise. Make the emergency stop switch protrude forward. Press the button to raise the protective cover. Then press the laser head focusing button again to raise the laser head. Take out the foam inside the machine. Next, install the antenna. Install the antenna on the machine's Wi-Fi interface. Then tighten. The antenna needs to be installed upright. Remove the field lens protective cover.